Untitled. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, friends. So today I am talking to my kindergarten friends, and I want to talk to you about shapes. Okay, and some of these shapes you probably already know. Some of them may be new to you, but I don't just want to talk about the name of the shape, which is very, very important. I also want to talk about the sides and something called the vertices. Okay, so sides, vertices. So actually, you know what? Let me change the way this is going to look, because I want to put it in a chart for you. So let's do name. Let's do sides. Let's do vertices. Let's do it this way. That way we can actually see it. Okay, so let's do a chart, and we are going to do 4 shapes. So we're going to talk about this shape. That's not perfect, that's okay. Okay, we're going to talk about this shape. We're going to talk about this shape. And we're going to talk about this shape. Okay? All right. So first we're going to name the shape. Right? So let's name this first shape. Okay? So this is the shape of a circle. Right? So when we talk about sides, we're talking about how many straight lines going up and down, okay, or side to side does this shape have? So does the circle have straight lines? No. So the circle has 0, and it kind of looks like a circle, 0 sides, okay? It does not have any lines in the shape that go up and down or side to side, okay? They do not have any sides. And because they have no sides, they have no vertices. Okay? All right. So now we're going to name this shape. Okay? So we've already done this one. So let's name this shape. This is the shape of a square. Okay? This is the name for this shape. It's really important that you are able to recognize the name for the shape. Now, the square has 4 equal sides, okay? All of their sides are the same length. Now, I don't have a ruler. I'm going to try to make my sides look a little more equal just by using my eyeballs. Might not be the perfect way to measure it, but I want it to look more equal, okay? So the squares have 4 equal sides. So let me number my sides. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, side number 4, right? So this side already has a number on it, so I'm not going to number it again, just so that I know what my sides look like, right? So remember, a side has to be a straight line going across, a straight line up and down, okay? All right, so here we go. So there are 4 sides to a square, and then where each side meets, that's how I get my vertices. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And sometimes it acts about corners, same thing, okay? Same thing. All right, so now let's name, so name this one. Now let's name this shape. This shape is a triangle. That is the name of that shape. So even if you don't see it, okay, and you see the word triangle, you have to be able to picture what that shape actually looks like, okay? So let's look at our triangle. The triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, and where do those sides meet? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Last shape is a rectangle. Okay, so I used to tell my students, too long side, too short side, too long side, too short side, too long side, too short side. That's how I know the difference between a rectangle and a square, because sometimes they can be a little tricky and you can think that they're the same shape, but they are not. The rectangle usually has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, and the name of that shape is rectangle. Okay, so now let's look at our sides. 1, 2, my long side, 3, my short side, 4, my long side. Okay, 4 sides to a rectangle, and 1, where do those sides meet? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is all about the shapes that we talked about, their sides and their vertices. Now, what you can do with this is you can use it for riddles, and I'll just give an example of one riddle, right? Because sometimes they're going to ask you about the shape without a picture. So it may have a riddle, and it may say, I am a shape. So you know that part, right? Because these all are shapes. I have 3 sides. Okay? What am I? So now we can go to our chart, and we're going to go to sides. And it says I have 3. So we're going to go to the number 3. And you'll notice that your shape is a triangle. Okay? So I am a shape. I have 3 sides. What am I? I am a triangle. So if you create a chart like this, if you practice your shapes, if you put them in a chart, when you get to a riddle, you'll be able to figure out what that shape is. All right? So have an awesome, awesome day in school today. If you work with shapes, if you make a chart, take a picture of it and show it to me. I would love, love, love to see it. Have an awesome day once again, and I will see you on our next math morning. Have a good day.